Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Jay. I'm here with our Miss Universe of Philippines Cabanatuan City 2025, Micah Cabling Martinez. Hi Micah.
Hello, Universe. Hello, Philippines. Hello, Cabanatuan City. I am Micah Cabling Martinez, proud to be your Miss Universe Philippines, Cabanatuan City.
It's nice to see you again,
Thank you.
dear.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, what made you decide to accept this opportunity again?
Well, it feels surreal because last year I represented the entire province Nueva Ecija, and for this year, I'm just so blessed and honored because I will be representing the city where I was born and raised, and that's Cabanatuan City. Because this year, there's a different brand and organization handling Cabanatuan City, and I'm just so blessed because they want me to be the first ever Miss Universe Philippines Cabanatuan City under their wing.
Wow, it's really a good news for us. And to see you again on the
Thank you.
national stage, Micah. Well, anyway, Micah, I'm so happy and proud of you because you really improved a lot, especially your
Yes.
physical
I heard that a lot
appearance.
of people are commenting about that, but I think it's really about me continuing my different advocacies
Mhm.
every day.
Yeah. So what did you do?
Well, back in Cabanatuan City, I'm going around different barangays. We have 89 barangays in Cabanatuan City, and I'm really visiting different barangays, continuing different advocacies because I really want to continue serving all Cabanatuanos.
So by this time, what is your advocacy?
Well, it's still empowering women, and because Cabanatuan is also an agricultural city, I really take pride in all our farming communities, and especially I am full support to all the LGBTQI plus community, and especially Kabataang Cabanatueños.
So how is Micah Kabling now?
Well, I'm a strong believer that every day we should be the best, the better version of ourselves. That's why I continue improving myself, not only physically, but of course mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and I just want to materialize all of my dreams and my advocacies to not only for myself, but of course to touch lives.
How did you feel that a while ago you did do a ramp during the press presentation? So
It's really a total different experience now because last year we had one by one we
mhm.
really conquered the stage of Miss Universe, and now it feels great because we shared the stage with different queens from the different parts of the Philippines.
So what can you say about the other girls?
Well, we are 69 this
Mhm.
year. I really didn't had the chance to bond with each and every one, but I'm looking forward to really to get to know more of the sisterhood for this year and to maintain that bond and to get to know more of their advocacies and their dreams and why they're aspiring to be the next Miss Universe Philippines.
What are you most excited about joining the Miss Universe Philippines?
Well, of course, there are a lot to look forward to. There are different segments starting, I heard, starting this week. So I can't wait to the org will surprise us again for this year's season.
Are you ready for the swimsuit competition?
I am so excited and I'm so ready for this year.
Well, I guess you're ready because of your, figure. Wow,
Thank you, thank
bongga.
you.
So what's your measure of
I haven't checked yet, but I think it's smaller size now because all my pants,
mhm.
grabe lumuwag na sila.
Ayun, so all Cabanatuan peoples are
Yes.
watching right now. So what's your message to them?
Hello, Cabanatueños. Thank you very much for trusting me to represent the entire city of Cabanatuan to this year's Miss Universe Philippines because I will always, always make you proud, Cabanatueños, as your Binibining Cabanatuan 2019. You're forever queen of Cabanatuan.
Wow, bongga. Well, I'd like to know or ask, tell us the story about the appointment.
Yes, yes. Well, this is a surprise also for me because the new organization of Miss Universe Philippines, Cabanatuan City, it's really a new brand for the city. That's why I felt that this is such a great honor and a blessing because they considered me, they want me to be the first face of Miss Universe Philippines, Cabanatuan City under their wing.
All right, Michael, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
It's really nice to see you again. I'm really proud of you always.
Thank you very much. Because Miss Universe Philippines Cabanatuan City is really strong in celebrating the achievements of queens.
All right, one last thing. Your message to the universe.
Hello, Universe. I am Micah Cabling Martinez, and I am ready for you.
Wow, bongga. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Anyway, one last ano na lang, promote your social media platforms so can they follow your Miss
Yes.
Universe Philippines
That's true.
2025 journey.
Please do follow my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's Micah Cabling Martinez. See you there.
Thank you, dear.